Okay, so is the Manchester United team or theme the best team or theme in the world? Okay, we're going to find out after this. Alright, so you are welcome to another riveting edition of Mixup Corner TV with me, Caroline Owusu Asamoah. Today, the words that we're going to be exploring are theme, THEEME, and team, TEAM. What's the difference? Okay, so when we say theme, THEEME, it's simply a topic for discussion or the central idea of a program or a story or a paragraph or whatever, all right? But when we say team, okay, it's a group of people that are working towards achieving something. So we have the Manchester United team, the Arsenal team, or a team of people working together. All right, so I hope you got the differences. THEEME is pronounced theme, all right, the central part of an idea, a story, what have you. And team, TEAM, okay, is a group of people working to achieve something common. By the way, mind you, the team forever. Thanks for joining. Don't get it mixed up. It's Mixup Corner TV with me, Caroline Owusu Asamoah. Ta-ta!